Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
First, confirm you have an active iCloud Plus subscription and Apple ID signed in. Next, verify you control the custom domain at your registrar and have DNS access. Also, decide which email addresses you will create and list them before you begin. Prepare any existing email forwarding rules that you may need to disable. Finally, make sure you can edit TXT and MX records in the registrar dashboard during the setup process. Open iCloud Mail settings on iCloud, COM or iOS Mail settings and choose Add a Domain for Mail. Enter your custom domain and assign the email addresses you want to use with that domain. iCloud will generate verification TXT records and MX entries to add at your registrar. Copy each record exactly and keep the iCloud setup page open while you update DNS records. Wait for verification to continue to the final steps in iCloud. Sign in to your domain registrar and add the TXT verification record exactly as provided by iCloud. Next, add the MX record iCloud specifies and include recommended SBF or DKIM entries to improve deliverability. Save changes and allow time for DNS propagation, which can take up to 24 hours. Return to iCloud Mail settings and click Verify when the records appear. Finally, test sending and receiving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.